Hi guys, it's Sienna here. I am doing a unboxing today from a company called Jordan Essentials. My representative is Julian DeVoe, so if you want to give her a look, take a look at the products that Jordan Essentials offers, please feel free to comment below and I will send you that link. So these are my party rewards. Oh, it smells so good. So, I got the Proud to Be an American Oatmeal Milk and Honey Shea Body Butter, which includes shea butter, sunflower, and it's moisturizing. So, I can't wait to try this out. I definitely need some body butter. I also got the Jordan Essentials Sunless Tanner in Sunkissed with coconut papaya. It's got aloe infused jojoba and green tea in it. I got Skin Relief, the Shea Body Butter. Smells good. I'm sure it does, but I mean, there's a lid on it, so I'll have to smell it later. For the most part, I hope it smells good. And then I got this Proud to Be an American Oatmeal Milk and Honey Salt Scrub. So can't wait to try to see that. And then I got Jordan Essentials Plum Fun Gloss. So I'm so excited to try that. So until next time, I'll be seeing you. Bye.